Hello friends, is your steering feeling too stiff or too light? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0553, it means there's an issue with the power steering pressure, PSP, sensor circuit high input. This problem can cause erratic steering, rough idling, and even engine stalling. In this video, I'll explain what P0553 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0553? The P0553 code stands for Power Steering Pressure Sensor Circuit High Input. This means the power steering pressure, PSP sensor, is sending a higher than expected voltage signal to the engine control module, ECM. The ECM uses this data to adjust engine performance based on steering pressure. If the sensor gives incorrect data, it can lead to hard steering, engine stalling, or a rough idle. Common symptoms of P0553, check engine light, CEL, is on, unresponsive or erratic steering, engine stalling when turning the wheel, high RPM or rough idle, poor fuel efficiency. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the faulty sensor. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To diagnose P0553, check these key components. Power steering pressure, PSP, sensor. Location, usually mounted on the high-pressure power steering hose, near the power steering pump. Power steering pump. Location, connected to the engine and driven by a serpentine belt, responsible for generating hydraulic pressure. Power steering fluid reservoir. Location, near the power steering pump, holding the hydraulic fluid for smooth steering. Tip: if the PSP sensor fails, the ECM won't properly adjust engine power when steering, leading to rough idling and stalling. Common causes of P0553. Faulty PSP sensor. A bad sensor may send high voltage signals to the ECM. Wiring or connector issues. Loose, corroded, or damaged wires can cause high input readings. Too much power steering fluid. Overfilling the reservoir can increase pressure beyond normal limits. Faulty power steering pump. If the pump isn't regulating pressure properly, it can trigger P0553. ECM malfunction. In rare cases, the ECM may misinterpret the sensor's signals. How to fix P0553? Step 1. Scan for P0553 with an obd2 scanner and note any additional codes. Step 2. Inspect the PSP sensor for physical damage or leaks. Step 3. Check the wiring harness for loose or broken connections. Step 4. Test the PSP sensor's voltage output using a multimeter. Step 5. Check the power steering fluid level and quality. Make sure it's not overfilled. Step 6. Clear the code and take the car for a test drive. Final words. Ignoring P0553 can lead to steering issues, poor engine response, and higher fuel consumption. Fixing it early ensures a safe and smooth ride. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0354. Ignition coil D primary secondary circuit malfunction. P0355. Ignition coil E primary secondary circuit malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.